This is Big Data in Japan by Ashlyn Stoker, and this is for the Exercise 4 assignment. So, what is big data? Big data refers to data that is so large, fast, or complex that it's difficult or almost impossible to process using traditional methods. The act of accessing and storing large amounts of information for analytics has been around for a long time, but the concept of big data gained momentum in the early 2000s when the industry analyst Doug Laney articulated the now mainstream definition of big data as the 3 V's, which is volume, velocity, and variety. So, who is using big data? Big data is a big deal for industries in specific. The onslaught of IoT and other connected devices has created a massive uptick in the amount of information organizations collect, manage, and analyze. Along with big data comes the potential to unlock big insights for every industry, large to small. Japanese companies Fujitsu, Hitachi, NTT Data, and NEC are among the world's top ICT service providers. They deal with big data on a daily basis, especially Fujitsu. They established a Big Data Initiative Center in June to support their customers in this specific field. Hitachi also aims to increase its revenues from big data related businesses to 150 billion yen. So, where are they using big data? So, Japan's growth strategy includes ambitious plans to build on strengths in infrastructure and devices to tap into the market for big data services and become a world leader in IT. The industries relying more and more on big data consist of government, banking and finance, and insurance, healthcare, oil and energy, education, manufacturing, and etc. The Ministry of Economy, Trade, and Industry of Japan uses big data to boost tourism and has optimized the use of the Regional Economic and Society Analysis System for specific data for that purpose. This is the SWOT analysis of NTT Data, which offers total big data analytics solutions which help their clients secure new insights and create value from their data. So, their strengths are leading market position, providing various products, highly qualified workforce, collaboration and partnership, and then strong customer relationships. Their weaknesses are network issues in rural areas, reliance on the Japan market, limited international presence, competition with brands affecting the market. Their opportunities are internet users, stable free cash flow, new environmental policies, technological advancements, and improvement in the customers. And their threats are threats from local distributors, reduced regulations for legacy services, and then strong rivalry from other communication providers. So, when are they using big data? So, Japan's growth strategy in June aimed to reinforce Japan's position as a world leading IT nation. The government predicts the market for big data services will be 51 billion by 2020. It has allocated 87.5 million for big data R&D, research and development, including projects to develop a 400 gigabyte new high-speed network infrastructure and testbed, a high availability and high efficiency data center operating system, and data analysis applications. Renewed energy infrastructure should boost Japan's industrial competitiveness and create new industries and innovation. The shortage of skilled professionals in this area is a challenge for the expanding new big data related businesses in Japan. Some 250,000 professionals are predicted to be needed in Japan in the future compared to the 1,000 data scientists at present. ICT industries and institutions are collaborating on programs to help professionals develop expertise in data analysis, ICT knowledge, and business consulting skills. Because of this, I can see mass adoption of big data happening within the next 4 years. So, big data and the SDG. So, new sources of data such as satellite data, new technologies, and new analytical approaches, if applied responsibly, can enable more agile, efficient, and evidence based decision making and can better measure progress on the Sustainable Development Goals in a way that is both inclusive and fair. Big data can shed a light on disparities in society that were previously hidden. For example, women and girls who often work in the informal sector or at home suffer social constraints on their mobility and are marginalized in both private and public decision making. Much of big data with the most potential to be used for public good is collected by the private sector. So, as such, public and private partnerships are likely to become more widespread. And last, two truths and a lie in no particular order. The first one being big data refers to data that is so large, fast, or complex that is difficult or impossible to process using traditional methods. Second one is NTF Data is one of the largest Japan-based companies using big data technologies. And the last one, the government predicts the market for big data services will be 51 billion, which is 7.7 trillion yen by 2020.